Are we doing what? Are we doing a probation? Are we doing a probation?
Probation, correct. But 18 months, though.
Yeah. Will you remind me the last name again? What is the last name again? The last name again?
Studios. Raul.
That's it. Raul. So, Mr. Castillo, you're charged with three cases. You're charged with a felony, theft of a firearm, DWI. Shh. And then you're also charged with
Possession, I think.
Possession of a controlled substance with us.
Xanax.
I want you to understand that this DWI is going to go on your record for the rest of your life. Anytime you get pulled over, officers will see your record, which is not that good. And I'm going to tell you, every time you get pulled over, no matter what you're doing, no matter where you're going, no matter who you're with, they're going to harass you because of your record. The record speaks for itself. And they're going to. No matter if you are coming from your church and dressed to the bells, to the nine, they're still going to mess with you. Do you understand? So don't give them the opportunity. If you want to drink, you want to go smoke, if you want to do this, just don't get into a car. How much money have you spent over the course of the last 10 years? All these cases, when literally $20, clicking one button, maybe 30. Can take you wherever you want to go. I'm going out on a date with my wife this Friday. I haven't gone out on a date in months. But I'm going to take an Uber because I want to drink. Like, but I'm going to do it the right way. And that's taking an Uber. It's the responsible way. As much as I would prefer to drive. I know that officers hand out DWIs like it's candy on Halloween. So it's easier for me. That's the way you do it. That's the responsible way of acting. You understand. And you got to understand from now on. You ever pick up any whatever it may be. It's a minimum of 90 days in jail. And on a DWI, it's a minimum at least 30. And then with your other priors, they'll kick it up to 90 days. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. You understand? Shh. As part of the agreement, they're going to dismiss theft of the firearm, the possession of a controlled substance. Part of the agreement, that gun will also be confiscated as well. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify and cross-examine your accuser. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never change your surrender. We'll go on your record. We'll be there forever. If you are not a citizen, there are immigration consequences.
This is one of the realest warnings you'll ever hear in court. Judges rarely spell it out this bluntly. Your record becomes your shadow. Quick question for the audience. Do you think officers should treat past offenders differently during stops, or is that unfair profiling? Drop your thoughts.
Consequences, you can be excluded from the country, denied naturalization, you give up the right to appeal. You can never change it. You understand? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I will find you guilty. I will send you to 180 days in jail. However, I will probate that for 18 months. You will do a TRAS, which is evaluation of what other conditions you may need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill those. You must do thinking for a change, which is a class. You must do a DWI education class. This is a first. Right? Have you confirmed that it's true first? Alex, please. 2 victim impact panels. No breath test refusal, meaning that if you're pulled over in a car and an officer asks you to submit to a breath test, you must do it. You're in violation of this probation. No drugs, alcohol, guardian, and a $100 one-time donation to mothers against drug driving. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living, Mr. Castillo?
Employed as a landscape.
How much money do you make? How much money do you make a month?
2,000 to 25.
Who do you support? Who do you support in this life?
That's myself right now. I'm actually trying to help my dad. My father, I live with his dad's here. His dad's here.
Say it again. Say it again.
His dad's here, and he works with his dad. He works with his dad.
I'm gonna somewhat of a favor. I'm gonna roll you, but there is a DPS fine that you're gonna be required to pay. We will give you 2 years to pay it. You gotta understand, if you don't pay it, there's jail time that comes along. I mean, it's gonna end up being $75 to $100 a month, but you gotta pay it. All right, so I wish you the best of luck. Make this thing work. If you don't, I'm gonna issue and I'm gonna put you in custody. You're looking at an entire 180-day sentence. You understand? Do you have a Texas driver license? Okay. We need to make it a license as well. Okay. You need a license. Man. If you're a landscaper, you gotta. Don't drive. I'm making it a condition of your bond that you're not to drive until you get your driver license. I want that done within 60 days. Yeah. Within 60 days, you must get your driver license. I want you to go there to start doing what you can to get it. I'm not going to suspend your license here. You know what happened on the LR suspension?
I don't think he has a license. So
Can you run his license real quick?
I'll see if
yeah, it was 4 years ago the arrest.
Okay.
Is that the new search charge?
So George, give this to your client, will you? This is the driver's license division for DPS. This is who you need to figure out how to get your license. Call them in the morning and say, hey, this is me. I need my license. What do I need? Because it's been so long, you're going to have to take the driver's test. You're going to have to take the written test. When you call them, call at 7.
Boom. No more slaps on the wrist. This is the legal line in the sand. One step out of place, and it's mandatory jail time. Notice how the judge mixes tough love with personal examples. Classic judicial psychology.
Call at 7 in the morning. In the morning. Don't call at 9. Don't call at 1. Don't call at 7. Don't call at 7. Because you're not going to get. Lines are so busy. Lines are so busy. Call right open, and that's 7, and that's 7. And you'll get through. We wish you the best of luck. Make it work. Okay. Make it work. Okay. Good job, Miss Ray. All right.
I have a good one.
Hey.
Your Honor, Mr. Alexander is here, and I think
Mr. Alexander. Mr. Alexander. Is that mom? Mom, come up. Why are you running, man? Nothing good happens when you run. You know that he picked up a new case.
No, he didn't pick up a new case. The case that precedes this case, all of it is in conjunction with this case. It is the same.
I believe the case. You know, I don't know if it's filed or not. It is not the same set of facts, but it predates this case.
It involves the same complaint, the same family.
Oh, I remember. It's family and it's
allegedly. So it's not like violated. Okay, I just want to get that.
So I'm not going to do anything to your bond. Just be careful. You got to be careful. You know, the thing is that they're going to issue a warrant at any time. You guys have to be careful. Do you know when have they?
I've kind of let my client. I saw this come up a month ago or so, and it just has never still been in the same kind of not status. So we had
the same situation earlier this morning as well. And with that case, taking it to the grand jury tomorrow. Hopefully we can get that done with this case so that you guys can get notice of when it's going to happen. What you don't want to happen is at some point issuing a warrant, and you guys are in a very bad position when that warrant hits, like you're out of town, and they take him when you're in Louisiana or wherever it may be, because then it's just going to be an utter disaster. So the quicker you guys take care of this, the better it is. The better while you're here.
And Your Honor, I'm not. The state doesn't really want to do anything with this case.
Yeah, I get it. I understand.
Like a reset, and
I know, but I want him to work out the case upstairs too.
I understand.
The best at his best.
I understand.
Michael, can you look at Mr. Alexander? The exact situation about the warrant being signed, not being signed. We have another one of those right here now. With that case, they're taking it to the grand jury tomorrow. Can that happen with this case? Do you know?
This is the heart of courtroom sentencing. Probation with homework, classes, evaluations, panels. The system basically becomes your second job. And if you skip any of these, violations hit fast.
So that we can all take care of this at one time. I'm trying to prevent them signing it at a later date when they don't know about it, and then it just exploding.
I can check for him too. If he texts me, I'll check and see.
You're going to do that on a daily basis? That's like,
I'd have to get the felony prosecutor to agree to get an urgent date. The grand jury would have to agree to give the prosecutor an urgent date to get the case indicted. I'm not sure at this point. I can send them an email and say that you're requesting that.
I mean, you don't do that. Just,
It is what it is, Your Honor. I don't know.
You just got to be on the lookout. What I would do is probably call a bonding company and let them know, hey, this is my son. Can you just be on the lookout for when it hits and just let us know?
And I'm able to look it up online as well. I mean, it's public information. I see the same.
Yeah, I mean, you have to be on a daily basis looking. I'm glad you came.
I think it is taking a toll on him, Your Honor. So I appreciate the court working with us.
I mean, you've done nothing wrong to this point. There's no need to punish when you've done nothing wrong. The best thing you can do is just stay out of trouble. And has he gotten a job or doing anything now? Or?
He started the GED program.
Great.
He started counseling, so he is doing what you asked him to do. He is doing what I've asked him to do.
How do you feel?
Healthy level of anxiety associated.
It's natural. How do you feel? Are you doing well with the classes? Have you been doing it really? In this life, if you put your heart into it, you can achieve anything. That's what's so great about this place. Really. Just you put your heart, soul into anything can happen. Really. That's what this life is about. Making a lot of money and having a lot of knowledge, Mr. Alexander. And it starts in school, in high school. Okay. We'll let you guys go. Just be on the lookout. Your appearance is waived. You guys don't have to come. Just stay in touch with Mr. Elick and he'll tell you how we go further.
That's why he is required to.
Oh, did we send him for a test?
No, Your Honor. I think he just came. So I don't think.
Yeah, I'd like to send you for a test. I want to make sure you're not using any drugs. Okay. Just hang tight for me now. We'll send you for a test, and then we'll set you off now. If something comes back, and hopefully it doesn't, if it's clean, then we'll set you off or whatever it is. If it's dirty, well, I guess we'll have to deal with it at that point. I hope he's not using. We just don't want you to smoke marijuana. That's it. Okay. All right, guys.
So we'll hold off on getting
this right now. No, I want to make sure he's not smoking marijuana. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hand you something? It's just a business card.
Yeah, you can give it to Steven. Sure.
Thank you. Come on.
Thank you, ma'am. Jose Salinas. Mr. Salinas, you're charged with assault of a family member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they are offering you 45 days in jail with credit for the 7 days that you have done. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Yes, sir.
You need to understand that there is an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that if you ever pick up another assault of a family member like this, you will be facing a third-degree felony. You can be looking at 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. And when I mean an assault, it doesn't have to be a drag down, beat down where someone is bleeding. All you have to do is squeeze someone's arm where it hurts a little bit. That can now get you charged with a very serious felony offense. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this agreement as well. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country.
This is the heart of courtroom sentencing: probation with homework, classes, evaluations, panels. The system basically becomes your second job. And if you skip any of these, violations hit fast.
From the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. You can never change this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what you want to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense of assault of a family member? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. Send it you to it. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Thank you, Carlos. So the initial bond violation was filed November 15th, 2024. And the reason is he was selected to take a drug test on November 11th. He failed to report to the test. So he came here yesterday. We had him take a test, and he tested positive for alcohol. I ordered you to do one thing. What did I order you not? What did I order you not?
Not to drag your honor. Not to drag your honor. Not to do drugs. Not to do drugs. Yes, Your Honor.
There's no excuse. Goes with you.
Can we have a bond on this bond?
Sure. I set the bond. I was going to set the bond at 5,001.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. Well, get it. People don't learn.
So if he does, or when he does bond out, we can talk further modifications, some kind of monitor. So we know that he's not using.
But when he gets out,
he has to come back.
All right, sure. Thank you.
Thanks, Ron. Yeah.
I'll chime in.
No, it's 5,001. It's Paris. Hey.
See you.
How are you, man?
Johnson, this morning.
Yeah, I saw your other half over here. What are y'all doing?
It bothers me. He gets to wear the hat.
And the bottle, right?
But no,
Okay. We have Tammy Johnson?
Yes.
What are we doing with
No, it's an old case. I got an old Friday.
Okay.
She's not in custody, but she's here. And
she tested positive.
This was a case that had been outstanding for a while. You gave her a second chance. PR ball. She is here.
Right. We asked her not to use.
I've got good contact with her. She's here.
Come up, ma'am.
Discovering the case, and had a chance to do a cursory review. I think the state has done some vetting of as well, but which is well, but
PTI eligible? Do you know?
Probably would be, but I haven't had a chance to.
This whole section is a legal tightrope: a pending warrant, bond concerns, and the judge trying to prevent a future disaster. Most people don't realize it, But half of courtroom drama is just timing. If that warrant hits when you're out of town, boom, instant arrest.
Haven't had a chance to get that far.
So, but understand, I'm keeping on a very short leash because it's 500 days old. So,
is diligent as possible.
please. I'm giving you a chance. You're out in the free world. Most people at this wouldn't do it. Just keep them locked up. He's convinced me to let you out. Make the best of it. You know, don't use. Only thing I'm asking you to do. Don't use alcohol. Don't use illegal drugs. I'm going to test you like crazy. I'm telling you that. I just took in seconds ago. Someone into jail because they're drinking alcohol. No means no. No means no from any source. Don't care what it is. Now, your case, like I said, it's very old. It's time to get on. I'm going to give you guys one setting. You need to find out what you want to do. You got to come back. You got to come back 30 days. But you got to come back. You got to come back. Know what you want to do. You must either accept a plea bargain from the state. If you want to apply for the diversion program, you must have the packet done by the next 30 days. Mr. Garris can tell you what that is a program that if you are granted entry and you complete it successfully, the DWI gets dismissed. But you have to apply. And then you have to take an evaluation. You got 30 days. Don't use. Do you have a Texas driver license? You're not allowed to drive. The worst possible thing you can do is get into a car and drive, Ms. Johnson. You already have this affidavit not to drive. Understand that. Okay, guys. Good luck.
Thank you, guys.
So she needs to leave. She cannot leave because I need her to sign bond condition because I don't think that we've done it. So just get the date. We'll give her the reset. Unfortunately, she had to take off to help out. So we'll have her back at some point. We'll do the condition. Okay. Good luck with your trial. Hey, come up, Mr. Cormier.
Comes out.
Tomorrow. Yeah.